question is, in which of the following tables A and B vary directly? So we will write the first table given, A, B. Values of A are 7, 9, 13, 21, 25. Values of B are 21, 27, 39, 63, 75. So if we see the relation between B and A, it will be 21 here is equals to 7 into 3, 27 here equals to 9 into 3, 39 equals to 13 into 3, and so on. So we can say that B equals to 3 into A. Now we observe that the values of A is increasing, and as the values of A are increasing, the values of B are also increasing, and this is the relationship between the values of B and A. So we can say that A and B vary directly. Now we will see the second table, A, B. We will write the values of A and B again, 10, 20, 30, 40, 46, and B is 5, 10, 15, 20, 23. Now in this table, if we observe the relationship between A and B, we can say that 5 equals to half of 10, 10 equals to half of 20, 15 equals to half of 30, and so on. So we can say that relationship between B and A here is B equals to half of A. So this is the relationship that has been followed here. And now if we observe that as the values of A is increasing, the value of B is also increasing. So we can say that A and B vary directly. Now we will write the third table given. Values of A are 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and values of B are 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, and 5 cube. Now if we observe the relation between B and A, 1 cube equals to 1 square into 1, 2 cube equals to 2 square into 2, 3 cube equals to 3 square into 3, and so on. The constant of variation is not equal here. Here we have multiplied 1, here we have multiplied 2, and here we have multiplied 3. A upon B is not equal to any constant. So if A upon B is not equal to any constant, then we can say that A and B do not vary directly.